Hey, so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. So pretty.
She said, Daddy, we went for a walk today.
Did she?
His mom and I went for a walk.
Did
Mommy
you?
looks horrible right now. She needs to take a shower.
Did you?
Could you not take 160, 360 of my face? Thank you.
Baby girl. Yeah?
And what did Daddy do today?
Well, been working all day. Half day, not all day.
Hmm.
Half day, yeah. I'm home again. Oh, baby girl, that's dangerous.
Yep. We're working on it. Okay, bye-bye for now. Right?